When I was in high school, I was very fortunate. I had an English literature teacher for a mum, and that came in very handy when essays were due. And the night before essays were due, I'd come to mum and I'd say, "Look, it's go time. Anything you can produce off the cuff now, it's going to make it in the essay. So let's make it really good." It was always gold. She's incredible, and this kind of dynamic we had translated into songwriting, and so I'd come to mum with half-written songs and ideas, and she'd usually come back with absolute gold, lyrical gold. And one day in particular, I remember coming down to breakfast, and she said, "I've got something for you. Everything is fine when your head is resting next to mine." And it ended up in the chorus of this song. It's Fire in the Flood.
I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw your light on honey in the cold. I stood anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. And I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine when your hand takes it next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood. Since we met, I feel a lightness in my step. You're miles away, but I still feel you. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. And late at night, when you come fall asleep, I'll be lying right beside you, counting sheep. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine when your hands rest next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the Take it away, Phil. Take it away, Phil. She said, "Boy, when you know, you'll know."